Hello friends, welcome back to Coastal Cameo. Today is video number 3 of the estate lot that I purchased about 3 weeks ago. This is the tray that we're working on today. I've been taking things out of boxes, wiping them down, removing old tags, that kind of thing. So we're just kind of making our way through this huge lot that I got. And this is what's up next. And I also have some fashion pieces toward the end of the video, so stay tuned for those. If there's anything in the video that you'd like to purchase, please email me at coastalcameo1@gmail.com. I will invoice you once you are finished shopping, and you're welcome to pay through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle. Any of those are acceptable payment forms, so totally up to you. Just let me know up front. Keep an eye on the items sold list under the video. I'm updating that constantly as the video is playing out, so you may need to refresh as you're watching. And make sure that you're seeing the entire list by clicking Read More. It'll expand the whole list, and you'll know if the item you are wanting to claim is still available. Okay, that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and get started. This is a kind of twisted seed bead necklace. Black beads and then some bicone beads. These are clear, and some gold tone beads. Has a screw barrel clasp. Very good condition. I have not looked real closely at these pieces. Again, I'm just trying to be efficient with my time, and so I'm not like getting the loop out and checking every mark and all of that. So we'll do that together today. This is a pair of double hoop earrings, gold tone, with these like disco ball beads, some faux pearls, some little blush pink faceted beads, new on the card. Looks like there is some discoloration, but I'm guessing that's probably from just shelf wear, I'm guessing, because these look like they are in excellent condition. Then we have this. This is a gold tone double strand necklace and earring set. I think these might be glass. They're cold to the touch, and there's some weight to this. Got the matching earrings, excellent condition. And we have, oh please, no tangles. No tangles. Oh, this is pretty. Silver tone, kind of metallic finish, black cabochons. They are faceted. This is really pretty. Kind of a Rolo style chain. I don't see any marks on it. It's in excellent condition. Has a lobster claw clasp. I will try to put the measurements on the screen. Usually I remember, but I'm not making any guarantees. This is a kind of a painted wooden bead on a seed bead necklace. It's got these little spaceship shaped wooden beads as well. This one also has a screw barrel clasp. Very good condition. This is an acrylic white and gold tone, kind of a choker style necklace. It's in really good condition. It's had like a tag right there. Yeah, I don't see a lot of wear except maybe a little bit on the underside. There are no marks on this, but it is in really good condition. Okay, what is next? Okay, then we have this. This is a very pretty kind of eggplant colored stone. That's a genuine stone. It's faceted on one side and natural on the other. It's got kind of a metallic coated leather cord. It's one of those adjustable necklaces, so you can wear it at whatever length suits you. That is really pretty. I'm not sure what that stone is. I didn't really research it, but it's beautiful. I love that color. Then we have this. Okay, this is an extra long necklace. I don't see a clasp on this one. It's got these white plastic cylindrical beads, some little ribbed spaceship beads, some clear cylindrical beads. These, I believe, are all plastic. No marks. I left part of the tag on that one. There we go. I do believe it's vintage. Then we have a hammered brass bangle bracelet. Don't see any markings on this one. Looks like it's in good condition. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these carved butterfly earrings. Aren't those pretty? That's amazing. I think these are jade. Looks like they're new on the card. Very good condition. I have another pair that is rose quartz. You can see those. These are really cute. Ice cold to the touch. New on the card. This one looks like this hook is not matching this one, so I may change that out. I'll let you know on the screen. Hopefully I have one like that. Look at this really cool stretch bracelet. It's got these faceted kind of blue AB beads, some rondelles with clear rhinestones, some silver tone beads. Look at these. Like, I don't know, they look like springs, but they are not. Those are like bar beads. This is really pretty and very unique. It's in very good condition. My tray is wanting to wobble. Okay, then we have this. Now, I don't know what material this is. I mean, a lot of these are made out of shells, so I'm assuming they're shells, but they have some blue flecks. So this kind of looks like a light blue, kind of icy blue. This is a set of a necklace and what looks like an anklet. They are in very good condition. I'll sell those as a set. So keep those two pieces together. I thought these were adorable. I'm going to get them all out. Okay, we have these little fashion cameo earrings. We've got this silver tone with kind of a beige and black, kind of a smoky gray color. We have this is a gold tone with some clear rhinestones, and then a gold, it looks like kind of a metallic finish. And we have the gunmetal with the black. So these I'm going to probably assign one number, and then you can tell me which color you want. We're going to go with gold beige and black. Those are cool. All right, next up, okay, these are Kato silver tone teardrop earrings with some black cabochons. Very good condition. Don't know if they're new. Okay, then we have these. Oh, these are adorable. These little sea turtles with the AB rhinestones. Silver tone. Looks like they're new on the card. Those are adorable. Love sea turtles. I thought this was really cool. It is a stretch bracelet. Brown, black, and white. These are like little bar beads, and then the seed beads make up the toggle clasp. Again, it's stretchy, so lots of room there on the size. I've never seen one like this. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, this tray is about to, okay, maybe I fixed it. This is, okay, these are either glass or onyx. I'm not sure, but this is beautiful. This is a necklace with a brass C-spring clasp. This is very old, I believe. Faceted black beads, and then it's got these. That's, I mean, they're just beautiful. And then it comes down to this gorgeous tassel with these little end cap beads. This is gorgeous and definitely old. I'm not sure, again, if these are like onyx or if they're glass, but they're one or the other because these are cold to the touch and they have weight to them. Okay, then we have some brooches. This is a Trifari, I believe. Yeah, this is Crown Trifari, faux pearl, clear rhinestone. Looks like the pin is functional. Gold tone, it's brushed gold tone down here and polished up here, so it's really cool. Very good condition. This one is marked, okay, now I forget what the maker is on this one. I don't think I brought my loop in here. Okay, I'm going to have you hold and I'm going to grab my loop. Hold, please. Okay, this one is Monet. It's got some little seed pearls, a clear rhinestone in the center, this kind of butterscotch enamel. It's marked here on the bottom. The pin is fully functional. That's pretty. And I think there was one more, no, maybe a couple more brooches. Trying to grab in there without getting stuck. This one is Coro. This is a small little faux pearl and clear rhinestone brooch. It's marked here on the back under the pin. Very good condition. And then we had, I think, another, oh yeah, this one. Look at this. This is gorgeous. It's kind of got like a wavy pattern. This is also Coro with some kind of aqua blue rhinestones, and this is like a fuchsia pink. Very good condition. This one I love. This is Sarah Coventry. Marked on the back. Kind of a turquoise colored flower with a faux pearl in the center. Excellent condition. No loss of finish on that. And this might be the last one. This is Crown Trifari also. Kind of a matte or brushed gold tone. There's the mark on it. Very good condition. There is a little bit of wear on it, but not bad. Okay, moving right along from the brooches. I thought this was really pretty. It's got these gold tone and kind of copper colored plastic beads, and then these AB coated beads. These are all plastic, and there are some gold tone beads for accents and some silver tone beads too. There is no clasp on this. I just think it's gorgeous. I love that mix of colors and the AB beads too. These are some milk glass screwback earrings. These are in excellent condition. Actually, these are like brass, I believe, on the back. These are really cool. Okay, then we have some bangles. These are all marked Monet. There's the mark for this one right here. Hopefully you can see it. This is a polished silver tone. Looks like it has like a, I don't know if that is something that will come off. I will put on the screen if I'm able to get that off. It's like a little, I don't know. I don't know if it's gunk or if it's some sort of blemish, but I will definitely put on the screen. Then we have this one, also Monet, silver tone, etched silver tone. This one's in really good condition. It's marked right here. This is really pretty. I love these etched bangles. Then we have this gold tone one. This one has some wear to it, mostly on the inside. Okay, I'm going to have you hold, please. Okay, next up is this, I think like a Roman soldier brooch. It's got these coin dangles on it. There aren't any marks, but I do believe it's quite old. It's pretty cool. Okay, then we have these silver tone earrings with clear rhinestones. They're kind of a bypass pattern. No marks. Excellent condition. We have this glass bead stretch bracelet with some little charms. This is a shell and a starfish. These are glass with like a splatter, black splatter on it, and then some like red paint. I don't know, it's cool. It's got some lava stones. This one is very unique. It is a wrap bracelet, gold tone on the inside, no marks. Has these little beads on the ends. I'm going to put this on my wrist. You can see it in action. I do believe this is vintage. Very cool. I like the gold end caps. Definitely unique. I've never seen one like this. And I'm not sure. I think these are acrylic beads. Then we have a cloisonné stretch bracelet, mostly green and blue, good stretch. Very good condition. We have some more screwback earrings. I'm going to show those all in a row here. Oh, there's another brooch. Let's do that. Some AB rhinestones. This one I think is also marked coral. Very sparkly. It's got a pink rhinestone in the middle. Okay, then we have these cameo screwbacks with some clear rhinestones. They are not marked. Very good condition. Found a lot of screwback earrings in this lot, so we're just going to get to those as we get to them, I guess. Okay, this is what I believe is a vintage Avon necklace. It's got a gold tone pendant with some clear rhinestones, faux pearls, fold over clasp. Oh no, this is Napier. This reminds me of a necklace that I had a while back that was Avon, but it's Napier. Very good condition on this one. This is really pretty. I love this gold tone and pearl look. This would be awesome layered. It's got a lobster claw clasp, no marks. Very good condition. We have this gold tone rose brooch. That one doesn't have a mark, I don't think. I'm going to look at it. Oh, no, it does. It says Sarah Coventry on the back. It's in pretty good condition. Little bit of wear, but not bad. Okay, then we found kind of a shorter version of the AB necklace that I had in the last video. This is beautiful. Definitely more of a child size. I don't think there are any marks on this. Yeah, it's pretty small, but oh my gosh, these stones or these crystals are beautiful. It's got the hook closure. I love the sparkle of that. Okay, then we have this pair of black and gold tone clip-ons. These are glass, faceted. They do have wear on the back. I think we had the necklace that matched these, if I remember right. There aren't any markings on them. Actually, I think there might be. Jonne, Jonne. Very pretty. Again, I think we had the necklace. I'm pretty sure if I remember right. Okay, then we have these earrings. These have like flowers on them. They're like green with some, looks like a flower motif. Maybe, I can't really tell. Maybe yeah, it's a flower. And then some little seed pearls. Very pretty gold tone excellent condition. Now this is different. This is like an embroidered pendant with some flowers. I do believe it's vintage. And it's just on a green leather cord or suede cord. But that pendant's really pretty. Excellent condition. We have this long strand of faux pearls. I love this champagne color. There is no clasp on this. I love the feel of these. I do believe they're acrylic. Hand knotted. This is really unique. Got some acrylic flower stations, blue, teal, lime green. Has a fold-over clasp that says Hong Kong. In between the flowers are these white plastic ribbed bar beads and some little leaf beads. This is really pretty. Very good condition. We found this. Okay, this is missing a chain here. Don't know if I have one, but I will check. These are like that kind of frosted faux pearl bead. It says Japan there on the hook. Not sure if I have the extender for this, but I will check. If not, I will put on the screen if this is going to be a craft piece. These are really pretty beads. Then we have a gold tone, and let's see if these are genuine rhinestones. No, that's so funny. These are just little illusion stones, so those are not real stones. Has a fold-over clasp. This is really pretty. Tennis style bracelet. I don't think there are any marks on this. Okay, it just has the sticker that says made in China. But it feels substantial. It's in good condition. Then we have this porcelain pendant on a gold tone chain. This is really pretty. It's in very good condition. It's got like a coral colored rose and some green leaves. The chain looks like kind of a paperclip style with a C-spring clasp. I don't know if there's a mark on there or not. No marks. That's really pretty. I love old pieces like that. Okay, then we have a double strand faux pearl bracelet with a fold over clasp. Definitely vintage. It's in really good condition, like barely any wear even on the clasp. These are acrylic pearls. This is like one of my favorites. Look at this pendant. This is a faux pearl necklace with this crystal pendant. Gold tone. Very good condition. Looks like the C-spring clasp is like a brass. So it's probably been replaced at some point. I just love that. I think it's gorgeous. And this one is definitely unique. These are glass. Let's see what it says. Celebrity New York. These are all glass beads. Got these cylindrical white beads and then these little cube beads with an olive green and orange paint, and then some green seed beads and white seed beads in between. Silver tone sea spring clasp. There is the Celebrity New York tag. This is in really good condition. Love the colors on that. Then we have this angel pendant. I'm not sure if this pendant belongs on this chain. I love the pendant. I think it's gorgeous. It does say Sarah Coventry. Oh, Christmas 1977. Is that what that says? Yep, Christmas 1977. I didn't notice that before, but look at the crystals. And this is a large pendant. The chain is gorgeous, gold tone chain. It says Sarah on this little, whatever they call this kind of clasp. This is in really good condition for something that age. I love that. Okay, then we have this Napier hinged bangle. It's marked here on the inside. It's got these clear rhinestones and this scroll like open work pattern. Put that on the wrist so you can see it. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Very sparkly. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Excellent condition. Look at this enamel. This actually might be like clay or something. Now this is broken off. I did notice that, but you can't notice it too much from the front. Some little white and yellow flowers, and I think it's Helicraft is the mark on the back. Made in England. I think that's quite old. Not sure if I'll sell it as is. There's a couple of chips on the flowers too. I think it's really pretty. I've never heard of that brand. Okay, then we have these really pretty kind of red toned iridescent bead clip-ons. I don't know if these are marked. Yes, they are marked on the paddles. They say Japan. They have like the really deep ruby red rhinestone in the center. These are gorgeous. Very good condition. Okay, then we have these screwbacks. Where's your mate? There you are. Pink rhinestones. Very sparkly. Here is the back. Not marked. These are in really good condition. Gorgeous. We have these clip-ons. These, if I remember right, didn't have a mark. Kind of a brushed gold tone. Very good condition. have these kind of cha-cha earrings. Gotta find the mate too, this one. Oh, there it is. Okay, these are lever backs. They are gunmetal. Got these little gunmetal rings, clear rhinestone or clear beads, faceted beads, some faux pearls. Very good condition, no marks. Look at these. These are screwbacks as well. Trying to find your mate. Where is your mate? Okay, I'm going to put you aside until we come across the mate. Look at these. Talk about sparkly. You've got the kind of cobalt blue in the middle and then the kind of aqua blue on the outside. These are clip-ons. No marks. These are beautiful. Then we have this hematite and pearl. Are these genuine pearls? No. These faux pearls and little gold tone accent beads. C-spring clasp, no marks. This one's in really good condition too. We have this pair of Alpaca Mexico abalone earrings. Again, I am trying to find the mate to this one. There it is. Okay. Got the abalone. Not sure if this is like, not sure if it's onyx. They are marked Alpaca Mexico on the back. They are pierced. Very good condition. Got this double strand kind of purple seed bead necklace. Reminds me of carnival glass. I think I say that every time, but screw barrel clasp. Very dainty, but this would be excellent layered with something. I love that. I'm going to put these two together. They do not match, but they're like scarf clips or shoe clips. Kind of wreath motif. There aren't any marks on them. They're in excellent condition. I'm going to put those together even though they are not mates. Then we have this gold tone and faux pearl necklace. Has this pendant with the pearl cluster at the bottom. C-spring clasp. No marks. Good condition. There is some wear on the faux pearls. Very pretty and unique. Okay, where is your mate? I hope I didn't lose the mate to that earring. Oh, here it is. It's stuck on a necklace. Okay, listen. Okay, here we go. Look at these. These are screwback earrings. Got the kind of garnet colored rhinestone and then the clear rhinestones. These are marked Coro. These are in excellent condition too. Gorgeous. Then we have this blue cat eye bead necklace. silver tone. It's got these little flower beads in between. Lobster claw clasp. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. A little bit of wear, but not terrible. I thought these were really cool. These little clip-ons with the dangling chains. Gold tone, crown trifari, excellent condition. There's the mark on the back. These are gorgeous. Then we have these Monet. I think I've had these earrings before. These are also clip-ons. Gold tone, the double link dangle earrings, very good condition. This one is hooked. There we go. Marked Monet on the back. Okay. We've got a bit of a tangle, so give me a second. Talk amongst yourselves while I get this undone. I think this necklace is gorgeous. And again, very unique. Not seen one like this. Sorry that took a minute. The double heart and the little pendant. These are acrylic. It's got the dainty chain and C-spring clasp. Okay, that has a mark on it as well. Okay, that says Sarah Coventry. Excellent condition. Love that. We have this purple stretch bracelet. These like kind of lilac colored purple plastic rhinestones. I think this necklace is beautiful too. I'll bring you over here so you can see what I'm working with. Okay, let's get you done. Got your mate right here. Okay, these are not marked. Screwbacks, faux pearls, flower motif, excellent condition. Okay, let's get the pearls out. Okay, these are genuine pearls. Yeah, genuine pearls. The clasp, I think, says 14 karat gold plated. Yes, 14 karat gold plate, IPS. Well, the little plate next to the clasp, that's what it says. And then the clasp says 14 karat with what looks like an H after it. I'm not sure what that means. But I did not test it. This is really pretty. Very dainty little pearl and gold tone necklace. Gold plated necklace, I should say. Then we have this gold tone and black bicone bead necklace. This again is a little dainty necklace. This one's marked Monet. here on the clasp. It's got their signature clasp. This is really pretty. Love that. Okay, then we have this Monet necklace. Monet silver tone. This one's short. It's got these little stations with the knots. It's in excellent condition. Then we have this multi-strand necklace. Try to get this so that it behaves. Looks like it has, okay, this one chain wants to, looks like 7 strands. Has a hook closure. It's gold tone. That says coral. This is really pretty. It's got a little bit of wear, but nothing terrible. I love this little ribbed bead at the end of the extender. Very nice. It feels very nice on the hand. We have these black and gold tone earrings. These are pierced. No marks, very good condition. Got this little multicolored necklace with these bicone beads. All different colors, silver tone chain. I don't know if there's a clasp on here. Don't see a clasp, so this is just meant to go over the head. We have this Avon faux pearl necklace, hand knotted. These are acrylic pearls. There's the Avon mark. These are in excellent condition. The clasp looks like it's never even been worn. Then we have this little strand of glass faceted black beads. It's got the brass hook. This one's short too, but it's gorgeous. This might look good with this one. Let's see how that would look. Oh yeah, that would be really pretty. Could even wrap this a couple of times because it's pretty long. Love that. Ice cold beads. Then we have these little rose clip-ons. No marks. The roses are kind of a blush pink, and then they have the little green leaf. Very good condition. Okay, we have one more pair of screwback earrings. These are marked Coro. These do have a little bit of wear. These are like flower baskets, or that's what they look like to me, with little red stones and clear rhinestones in the middle. Coro mark on the back. Again, a little bit of wear, but nothing terrible. Okay, these were loose pendants and charms. There's a cross, a cherub, a little tiny gold tone charm. This is like a crystal, I believe it's glass. And then this one is like a quartz, piece of quartz. I believe there are 7 pieces in here. So I'm just going to sell that as a lot. Then I found, I think, 5 pairs. Yeah, 5 pairs of little colored rhinestone post earrings. So you've got kind of an orange, red, green, purple, pink, and clear. So again, I'm going to put those together. We have, I believe, 6 pairs of little kitty earrings. We've got some purple owls, some unicorns, a couple of mermaids. Yeah, 6 pairs in that. Those are little kitty earrings. And then I grouped all of these together. They are gunmetal hoops, several pairs. This pair has some little seed pearls. I'm just going to sell those together. I will put on the screen how many pairs are in that bag. Okay, so that tray is empty. I'm just going to show the fashion pieces. We've got these bangles. These are faux leather. We've got 5 of them. We've got brown, red, black, blue, and tan. They are silver tone on the inside, never worn. So I will put the sizes and the price on the screen. Again, this is like a faux leather. And then all you need to do is tell me the item number and the color. Oh, whoops, we had a purple one too. So there are 6 of them. Which color you would like and the item number. Okay, then we have these owls. I think these are adorable. Little enameled owls. Just lay those out. I think I had several of the yellow ones. Or maybe the taupe. I had to put them in bags because they didn't want to behave when they were just laying together. Yeah, I have 4 of the taupe, 2 of the yellow, and 3 of the coral. So I'll put the item number up, the length of the chains, and the price. And then you just let me know which color, how many. We'll go from there. So we've got the bracelets. Okay, then we have these. These are like twisted seed bead necklaces. Looks like I have, what, 5 different colors? Yes, 5 different colors. Looks like I have 2 of each. I've got silver, I'm going to call this silver, white, black, red, and let's call that honey. So 2 of each. I'll have 1 number, 1 price, and you just tell me how many and which color. So there's that. Then I had 2 of these new on card little resin necklaces. They have these little beads inside here. They're on a faux leather cord, new on the tag. So I've got 2 of those. And then I have some little stones that I have this, which is, okay, let's get you open. I think these are lapis. They are not drilled for beading. Yeah, you can see the little pyrite flecks in there. They're just stones, so you could use them for engraving, you could use them for making necklaces or whatever. There are 4 of those, so they will come in their little tray. And then we have these agate stones. This might be genuine amethyst, I'm not sure. Maybe genuine peridot. I will try to test these and see, but looks like there are, what, 9 of them. These are not drilled for beading either, so just so you know that. But I do believe there's an amethyst and possibly that might be a tiger eye. So there you go. And the last thing I have is this kind of animal print wooden bangle. This is in really good condition, very chunky, definitely a statement piece. There aren't any marks on it. Looks like it had a tag, but it's come off. I just thought this was really cool and unique. So that is the end of the 3rd video for this lot. Found a lot of interesting things. I love this wrap bracelet. I really had a hard time not keeping that one. I just think it's unique and different. Never seen one like it. And this celebrity glass bead necklace. Those are probably my 2 favorites. So thank you for being here. If you enjoyed the video, if you would give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel, and I am trying to grow my channel. I've got some exciting videos coming up later this month, so I don't want you to miss out on those. Go out, have a great day today, do something kind for someone else, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.